Hi everyone, welcome back to Ellie Pop's Bespoke YouTube channel. Today we're going to be having a look at this Pixie Bow Supplies butterfly template kit. So Donna over at Pixie has sent this to me to give a try. Let's open it up and see what we get in this kit. So in this kit we get the butterfly template. Which you get there's three different ones, didn't realise there was three. So there's three different sized butterflies on this really thick plastic, which is good. And they're the centres to go around the butterflies. You also get some clips. They look like 45mm. Yep, 45mm alligator clips. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 alligator clips with the teeth. You also get this gorgeous butterfly print fabric. Now I'm not sure if these are random in the kit, so you may not get this sheet, but in this particular kit I've got this gorgeous butterfly print fabric. Then there's this lovely, it's like an Aztec diamond design. I've also then got this flower and feather print canvas. These are printed canvas sheets which Donna does over on her website. Then there's this glitter fabric. This is a pink glitter fabric. And got this burgundy leather material, which goes lovely with all of these patterns. Now, one good thing that Donna does is she will put together kits that have some gorgeous prints, gorgeous fabrics, but they are all colour themed. So these fabrics will go with all of these, which is really, really good. Okay, so that's 5 sheets of material. And then there's the instructions, which are here. So as well as the butterfly kit, Donna's also sent over me a pack of fabrics for me to try. Some of the, I guess it's an autumn fabric kit, I'm not sure. But it's a mix of fabrics, a fabric kit that you can buy. So this has got some red, some grey and some pink leatherette fabrics. I've also got silver, another silver, but this has got sort of coloured glitter flecks in there. Not sure if you can see those. That's really nice and Christmassy, that one actually. That would go with the red leather perfectly. And then this pink and silver glitter as well. And also in this kit are 2 pieces of printed fabric with floral designs on. So I'm going to give those a try with some of these butterflies. Now what I'm going to do is you can layer these, which is probably the best look. You can do them singular or you can layer them. So I'm going to show you how to do a singular one. And then I'm going to show you how to do a layered one. So I guess what's good with this set is you can do a layer with the largest and the middle one, or with the middle and the smallest one. So first of all, I'm going to do the nice and easy one. I'm going to do a large one first. So you're going to need a large template. And I'm going to use this pink glitter for the bottom, and then I'm going to use this for the middle. So I'm going to show you how to do a pink one first, and then we'll do the middle one. So turn your fabric over, get a pen or whatever you use to draw around your template, pop it on, draw around and cut out. I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you when it's done. So just before I cut these templates out, just wanted to let you know about scissors. Now, when you're cutting these shapes out, you don't want any fraying on the edges depending on which fabric you use. So I use Scotch titanium scissors. They're pretty sharp. You do need really sharp scissors to cut out your fabrics. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these. So here we have the cut out pieces. There's the butterfly and the center. Okay, so the instructions say to just pinch the middle. So what I've done is grabbed either end of the middle part. I'm going to push that middle bit inwards like that, and then push those bits downwards. So we've just got a little pinch on it, like so. Now it is fiddly, so you could use something to hold the middle, but what I'm going to do is just put the tiniest little dot of glue in the middle there, and then I'm going to fold it in half so the two ends meet in the middle, and just give that a pinch where the glue is, and then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on that bit there, just the smallest amount, you don't need a lot. I'm going to fold it down to the edge, and then I'm going to turn the bow over and I'm going to do this side, so just put a small amount of glue there, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to fold that bit over as well. Now you're going to have a butterfly that looks sort of down like this, so what you need to do then, try and keep the middle pinched, and you bring up the edges like so. Now what I'm going to do is turn it over. I'm just fluffing out the edges a little bit. You can get one of the clips that came in the kit, so it's a 45mm alligator clip. Like I say, you do get some in the kit if you decide to buy one of these. Just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of that, attach it to that crease that you've made along the back, like so. And then I'm gonna, doesn't matter if it comes open like this, that's just to hold it in place anyway. I'm gonna open the clip, and in the middle put a little bit of glue, and I'm gonna get the center piece, put that in there, and then I'm going to wrap it around the center, and you can pull it as tight or as loose as you'd like it, just making sure to perk those edges up so that the butterfly's wings are up. And then it's a little bit big, this, so I'm just going to trim off what we don't need, which is up to the edge of the clip. Then I'm going to pop some glue along that centre piece and wrap that around the middle of the bow, of the clip, sorry. So there we go. There is a singular glittery butterfly. I think that looks really good. I love the shape of this butterfly too. That's what it looks like on the back. So now let's just do a double butterfly, which is this one here. So I'm going to start with the smaller one. Obviously the smaller you go, the more fiddly it's going to be. So first of all, I'm going to fold those middle bits and just crease that middle piece, not the edges, just that middle piece. So I can see where I need to just pop a little dot of glue. And then again, do what we did on the big one, a little bit of glue on that side. of glue on this side. And it really is the smallest amount as well. Might get some on your fingers, but it should be a tiny, tiny amount so it shouldn't burn you. Okay, so we've got that. That sort of sticks together a little bit better than this does, but again, now we're going to do the same with this, but this time we're going to glue this one to it. Okay, so we've glued that in the middle. Try and get it in the middle so those are lined up, these bits. Okay, then we're just gonna pinch those bits. Not sure if this is right or not, this is just the way that I think should be done to make it look neat. There may be other ways of doing this, but it's all trial and error. So we're going to do that. Do the same on this side. So I'm just pushing that in so it does kind of a fold. Don't worry about how the ends look just yet, just hold it until it's glued. Okay, then what we're going to do is, like I say, you can pop a loom band or something around the middle of this. You can pop some string round to keep it together if you need to. I'm just going to hope that that holds, because it's just the shape you want, because it's the middle part that will help it all stay together. So again, 45mm alligator clip, some glue in the middle. You can also pop these onto baby headbands. Just let that glue dry for a second. And then we're going to open the clip, put some glue in the middle, get our centerpiece. And then this bit is when it all matters, so we need to make sure that it's all pinched together as we're wrapping it round. Cut off the excess that we don't need. And then we're going to glue it into place. Now it is very fiddly, so I'm guessing the more you do this, the better you're going to get at it. Okay, so this is the first time I've done this too, so like I say, I don't know if it's right, don't know if it's wrong, but that looks pretty okay to me. So I'll show you a close-up of this one. That's how it's worked out for me. Show you the back. There we go. You can actually use the headbands, baby headbands, but I'm really, really loving this glitter and this printed canvas. This printed canvas is lovely with these little butterflies on it. Oh, sorry. You can really see the detail in that fabric there. That is gorgeous. And then there's the single layer one with the pinch in it. Now the single layer ones aren't as fiddly to do as the double layer, but like I say, the more that you do these, the easier it will become. So I hope you give them a try. There is also the small template as well, like I say, it is a lot smaller. So we've got the large, the medium and the small there. Gonna give that a go. I'll give all three a go separately, and I'll post it in my Facebook group I'll put a link to that in the description below if you want to join. Also, I'll pop a link in the description to Pixie.Supplies, where you can get this butterfly kit from, and also you can get fabrics and other bow making kits there. And with my code, which I'll put in the description, you'll get 5% off at your order of those kits as well. So I hope you pop over to Pixie.Supplies, and also try and have a look for my Facebook group and join that if you're not already. If you can give this video a thumbs up, it really helps the channel, and it'll help me continue to make more videos for you. And if you can subscribe if you're not already, that will also be really good. So I hope you enjoy trying these. I hope I've done them right. Like I say, it's my first time doing them as well, but they look pretty good to me. And maybe I'll do a video of me putting these onto baby headbands or Alice bands. See if we can figure out a way to do that. So I hope you give them a try. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.